Hi friends, in this video you can clearly see the anterior horn and posterior horns of the medial menisci are looking normal. You can see the images. And you can also observe the ACL fibers. There is some problem in the ACL fibers. So usually the ACL fibers will be jet black and the ACL and PCL you can see like this crisscross manner. Here you are able to see the PCL fibers, but ACL fibers you are not able to appreciate. So it tells there is some tear of the ACL fibers. Coming to the lateral part, the anterior and posterior horn of the lateral meniscus are looking normal. However, you are able to see a hyperintense signal in the inferior aspect of the lateral femoral condyle. This is the PLC area, posterior lateral corner area, which I am not very confident about this area, but I can confidently tell that there is some problem with the ACL fibers which you have to correlate clinically. There is some tear of the ACL fibers definitely. So now we will see now we have seen the sagittal, now we will see the coronal images. So these are the coronal images. You can clearly see here. So this is the IT band which is inserting onto the Gerdy's tubercle. The menisci is okay, but the MCL fibers, there is a disruption of the MCL fibers. So I am talking this in an orthopedic surgeon's point of view. So by and large this is like a ACL plus MCL tear. In the report they have mentioned high grade ACL tear with grade 2 tear of the MCL. The marked disruption with signal hyper heterogeneity and disruption of the fibers of the ACL. ACL. Marked edema and fluid rims seen along the MCL with thickening and irregularity at the distal femoral attachment of the MCL. So I am not a radiologist, I am an orthopedic surgeon. So from the orthopedic surgeon's point of view, so I am talking, and always you have to correlate this clinically.